them. That's right. I ate the divorce papers, Charles. I ate them with a tomato sauce. And they were so good. Good! You probably want me to get serious about this divorce. The thing is, you always called our marriage a joke. So let's use logic here. If A, we never had a serious marriage, then B, we can't have a serious divorce. No, we can't. This whole thing is a farce, Charles. It's a farce that tastes nice with a tomato sauce. I mean, wasn't it last week when your father asked you why you walked down the aisle with me? And you said, for exercise. You're so funny. You're such a funny guy, Charles. I'm laughing. I'm laughing, I'm not crying. I'm laughing because you're about to give up on a woman who is infinitely lovable. For instance, Paul. He has loved me since the 8th grade. He's a little creepy, but he really loves me. He made 127 passes at me, proposed 47 times, and sent me over 200 original love sonnets. He sees something in me, Charles, and he writes it down in metered verse. And it's not something you can just find every day.